how to import your free lead magnet funnel into the system.io account. Once you've opened up your free funnel mastery guide, come all the way down to page 65. On page 65, you'll see your free lead magnet funnel. It's the one on your screen now on the right hand side. You'll see, yes, I want my free funnel. Before doing that, if you have an account, make sure your browser is open up into your system account. If not, you can open up a free account. You don't need a paid account for this. Open up your free account. If you don't have one, you can click the link below and you can go ahead and open up an account. Then once you've got your system open in your browser, come back and click, yes, I want my free account. Click open and see funnel added to your account. Brilliant. So now here's your funnel. It'll say OMB, which is on my biz master funnels template. Open it, click view funnel. This is the exact same funnel that you came through. This is the exact same funnel that you came through. See, it's been added to your account. And if you look at funnel mastery, it's the same funnel that I use. So you've got a good lead magnet funnel and you've got the thank you page. Okay. What I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to customize it. I'm going to do a full video on customizing it. For now, I just needed you to know how to import it into your system.io account. Thank you everyone for downloading the free funnel mastery guide and for connecting the free funnel lead magnet funnel. Hope you get your leads.